How to pin chat in Instagram. Now let's get started. First of all, launch your Instagram application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your Instagram account. Once you're logged in and you get to your home page, now you have to navigate to your chat page either by tapping this chat icon from the top right corner or simply swiping to your left. Now once you land in your chat page, in this interface you will be able to view all your chats in Instagram. So from there, select the contact that you would like to pin. So simply tap and hold on that contact. A drop down box will pop up in your interface. From there, at the very top, you will be able to find an option to pin. So simply tap on pin. And with that, you have pinned this chat in Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.